Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add location on BeReal. Whether you want your friend to know where you are posting from or just want to add the extra detail, this video will guide you through this step. First of all, open up the BeReal application on your device and wait for the time BeReal notification, or tap on the camera button at the bottom to take your BeReal manually. I'm just going to tap on the camera button from the bottom. Now you will be able to see your camera on the screen. Go ahead and tap on the shutter icon at the bottom to take a picture. Now that you've done that, you will be asked to allow BeReal to use your location. Make sure to tap on the allow button. I'm going to choose allow while using app. You can also choose allow once according to your preference. And right after you do that, you will be able to add your location in your BeReal. BeReal will use your phone's GPS to detect your location. You can share your exact location, share a nearby place name, or disable it if you change your mind. Once your location is added, you can go ahead and tap on the send button at the bottom to post your BeReal. Your friends will now see your location tag on your BeReal. So that's how you add a location on your BeReal post. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.